असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। Come on, chant this mantra.
असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
Now I'm requesting Sri Mahesh Chandra Yagnik sir, Vidyanagar, to welcome our Honorable VC of Lucknow, Professor Maruk Mirza sir. Sri Mahesh Chandra Yagnik sir, are you there?
How are you? So,
Yes, sir.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
okay, hands ready. No.
Yes.
Just 2 seconds. Okay, रखा तो. चलिए.
Hello.
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 Yes sir.
Yes sir. Hello Hitiksha.
Yes sir. Namaskar sir.
नमस्कार.
Sir, Dr. Vici sir of Lucknow University, our chief guest here with us. Kindly welcome for Dr. Vici sir. Hello.
It is my. May I start now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. It is my pleasure for some generous words to Honorable Vice Chancellor of Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti Language University, Government of UP, Lucknow. Professor Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti, a great sant who contributed a lot in the field of human understanding. The name of the university is devoted to this great sant.
Hello. Hello, Mahesh sir. Unmute your mic, sir.
So please unmute your mic.
Okay. Now
Yes,
I
sir.
start. Okay.
Yes sir.
It is ever my pleasure to be with this web seminar conducted by Rudra Education Trust, Mehsana, Gujarat, and Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti, Language University, Lucknow, UP. The University of Language
हेलो
सभी को रिक्वेस्ट है, प्लीज अपना ही माइक अनम्यूट कीजिए, दूसरों का मत कीजिए, प्लीज रिक्वेस्ट।
यस सर।
Hello.
या
Yes, it is my pleasure to be with this web seminar conducted by Rudra Education Trust Academy and Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti Language University, UP, Lucknow, jointly organized this seminar, and it will disseminate, I am very sure, the information with the theme the organizers have decided. I welcome Professor Mahrukh Mirza, Vice Chancellor of Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti Language University, Lucknow, UP. Dr. Mirza is providing an excellent leadership to the academic community and appraising their motivation with the deepest concern for education. Dr. Mirza is having an excellent command over administration, over academic excellence, and greater support to the education faculties engaged in his university. He has introduced very much relevant innovations in curriculum, in academic activities. The profile of the academic nature, the teaching activity and extension work speaks more than one may speak. All the reports of the university different departments and university as unit, and this is the result of an excellent leadership provided by Honorable Vice Chancellor. This occasion is to meet not personally. This is the digital form of communication, and in this innovation, a technological use and the initiation by Rudra Education Trust is really appreciable, and those who are joining hands are also appreciable. The present situation of COVID-19 has compelled us be with technology. The virtual presence, the space, location, nothing to be worried about. Wherever you are, you may communicate. And having all the possibilities to exchange ideas mutually. The knowledge process generally ever starts with the communication. Communication does not mean only words, only pictures, but anything that comes to your sense organ, it becomes communication. And that is why this type of communication helps you nicely. I welcome Professor Mahrukh Mirza on this occasion with a great sense of respect, honor and gratitude. On behalf of Rudra Education Trust Academy and on my personal behalf, welcome Professor Mahrukh Mirza. I bow my head to your experiences, seniority and position. Thanks.